managing dental lab operations can be a pretty intense task. I could be doing all my operations on an Excel sheet or could be using a simple software solution to be able to do my dental orders. That being said, when I want to move away from the inefficiencies of what I do into a new software or my top management identifies their software like Smile Genius, it often becomes a daunting task to even think of migrating all my existing operations into software like Smile Genius. That being said, we've gone a bit above and beyond to be able to make this journey a lot more smoother for people like these lab managers and administrators who get pretty frustrated. For a lab that's running small operations or for a lab that is already onboarded onto Smile Genius who want to continue growing their business, a simple add manual form would allow the dental lab administrator as well as the manager to be able to send the invite one by one to every clinician that they work with. The second option that we have is an upload file option where, especially if you're onboarding onto the platform for the first time, we will give you a simple template where we would request you to fill in all the details basis of that template, where I can show an example. And once you upload that template, as I'm doing at the moment, you will be able to see that a background service is running to check for any errors that are available or are present in the template, where it's saying that 3 out of my 3 orders are successful, and then I should be able to send a bulk invite in one go. And this is particularly helpful if I'm doing it for a really large volume of clinics that I'm working with. And lastly, we've taken a slightly different route on how you can onboard your clinicians, especially if you are trying to be marketing driven. You could be sending out marketing emails to your leads, or you could be in an in-person event where you would want your clinicians who are visiting your booth to be able to download or register onto the Smile Genius platform on the spot. This link, which can also be converted to a QR code, can be copied or can be showed to these clinicians where you can onboard them on the spot or when you have their attention through email. That being said, through 3 different ways, we have made it quite simple for that migration process to happen, as well as manage your existing and ongoing future growth. Thank you.